Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a look. I've done a few hauls and today I wanted to do a very bright kind of cut crease look. If you're new here, my name is Jackie. I love to do haul videos, makeup tutorials, home decor, fashion inspo, things like that. If that's something that you'd be interested in, I would love you to hit that subscribe button. So these are the two palettes that I've used. I tried to use just this one, but I needed something more. This is the BH Cosmetics Luna Year. Looks like that. And then this is the Rude Cosmetics Whatever Forever. And it looks like that. So this is the look. Before we get into the look, if you're new here, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button right down there. Hit the little bell so you're notified when my next looks go up or my next hauls. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back, and let's get into it. Okay, so this is the final look. It's using these two palettes. This one I showed you guys, the Rude Cosmetics Whatever Forever palette, and then I used the BH Luna New Year. When I purchased it, I said New York. It's New Year. So these two palettes is what I use. I wanted to do like a cut crease, but not like, I wanted something, I don't know, but this is what I came up with. And then I just picked my hair up. Let me know what you guys think, and if you enjoyed the video and you're new here, you're still to the end, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, join the family. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back, and I will see you in the next one.